Bike
always
Week.
the older guys.
Welcome to Bike Week 2023. Everybody, welcome to Daytona Bike Week 2023. Welcome to Bike Week 2023.
Hey. Robin, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh my gosh, how much you loving this warm weather?
I'm loving it.
Oh, you got it. Hey, I'll tell you this. You probably wouldn't be wearing that outfit in Canada.
I would not.
What's your name?
Gasoline.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I'm Dakota, don't forget it.
Nice to meet you. So there are three big hot spots at Bike Week. Main Street, we'll take you back there in a little bit. That's always fun and crazy. Destination Daytona will be there as well. And the Speedway, the legendary and iconic Daytona International Speedway. Let's take a look around. A lot going on here, a lot of racing. Supercross will be here. Moto America will be here. All the manufacturers are here. Come on, let's go take a look. What a turnout. This place is packed. Big long line of bikes. And even with a heavy dose of Harleys, you will see some old school metric. Here's what's really awesome, guys. Demo rides. You can't ask for much more than this. With all the factories here, you show your motorcycle license, you get in line for a demo. Pretty cool. Here we go. They got a tree set up. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Good place to find a little shade right here.
Ready? Has everybody already got checked?
Welcome to
It's
Bike
always
Week.
the older guys.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's great to see all the big YouTubers in the house, all the way from Frozen, Pennsylvania. It is the one and only Sean and Craig from Bikes and Beers.
What's up, man?
Guys,
What's happening, dude?
love what you're doing, love following along. Welcome to your first Bike Week. What's your impression so far?
It's pretty wild. It's a lot of fun.
How about you, Craig?
Should have brought more suntan lotion. The weather,
It's awesome.
The weather. This is like 5 days of summer for me because right now it's awful in Pennsylvania.
Yamaha set up with all kind of cool motorcycles over here. We told you they're all here. Tall Boy T in the house. Tall Boy, welcome to Bike Week. How you enjoying it?
What's up? I'm doing all right. We're out here at Daytona Bike Week, Daytona Speedway. We're watching freestyle, watching Unknown Boys rip it up.
Doesn't get any better than this, man. Good to see you guys. Hopefully we see him at a drag race again this year. He does some awesome stunts. Boss Haas here, V8 motorcycles, one of my favorite manufacturers.
Hey, I drive
Talk about comfort. How about it? The bikes just keep on coming, guys. Keep on coming. So I got to ask you this. Sometimes I pinch myself that I'm doing this. I think back when I was working news every weekend. Let's think back to when you were selling cars.
Yeah.
Maybe you were working at a dealership. If I told you 20 years ago, we'd be sitting at Bike Week, making content, loving motorcycles. How much do you appreciate this life?
It's amazing. I get to be. We get to meet some of the coolest, best people on the planet, and it's awesome. I love meeting everyone, and we get to entertain people and to kind of live out every 12-year-old boy's dream, and I love it.
Awesome. How about you, Craig?
man, I'm blessed. It's fantastic. It's not even a job, I guess.
Hey, man.
It's just fun.
Hey, man, will you guys keep up the good work? Love the entertainment, guys. Bikes and Beards on YouTube. How's that feel? Pretty cool. Guys, there's so much to see here. I could make this like a 9-hour video. So let's get back to Main Street. We'll come back to the Speedway, but was this awesome or what? Let's see what's going on down on Main Street.
My name is April. Welcome to Daytona Bike Week. We are out here on Main Street having a blast.
Thanks for the hard work, guys. Come get a drink. And I found a Hayabusa, guys, my first Busa. There's the Gen 3 Suzuki Hayabusa.
Come find me right here on Main Street every day, open close, 11 a.m. to 3 a.m.
Guys, not only can you get shots, beers, you can also get cigars.
Yes, I got sweet. This is our site from Cigars.
What's up?
How you been, Jack?
Introduce yourself, please.
Andrew Ritchie from Pennsylvania.
Good to see
Down
you.
here for Daytona to hang out for a little bit.
Who's this young lady on the back?
Happy Eisenberg.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You guys be careful. Good to see you.
Welcome to Bike
days. It's 10 days, maybe even longer if the party continues. Wow, that is cool. Some for you Goldwing fans out there with an eagle up front.
Oh yeah, that's real nice.
A lot more Indians this year. Got the Yamaha. So much diversity in people. It is a good time. And this is what in the world is this? Oh my gosh, how about that? Shout out, shout out. Well, that is effective advertising. Good job, young lady. Parking can be a little difficult. Big shout out to this gentleman for helping her get parked. Gotta love the paint job here, absolutely beautiful. Where are you ladies from?
Connecticut.
Oh my gosh, how many times you been here?
This is our first time.
What do you think?
It's awesome.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Welcome to Bike Week 2023. Welcome to Bike Week 2023.
Do please, if you come, be on your best behavior because they do have police on guard. Unfortunately, already one incident, but shout out to the authorities. They got everything under control. For this many people expected in, I'm talking more than 500,000 people expected to 2023 Bike Week. They do have a heavy police presence. It is often needed.
You're on YouTube?
Hi, Chrome Premium Cigars, Daytona Beach, baby!
How did you learn so much about cigars, young lady?
I've been doing this for a while.
Good job, good job. She is working the cigar game.
It's like my 6th year doing this.
6th year.
With Chrome.
Where you ladies from? What do you think of all these motorcycles?
Amazing.
What do you think? Crazy. All right, guys, I have been called out, and perhaps rightfully so. So, what is your name?
Thumper.
Thumper, you just asked me a good question. You said I'm a little partial to the Hayabusa.
Right.
I do have 2 of them, you're right, but I like them all. Let me ask you a question. Which Harley should I make my favorite? Yours? Yeah, what do you think? In your opinion, what's your favorite Harley?
Not mine, but for you, Lowrider ST.
Lowrider ST. How about for this young lady back here?
That's what she's up.
Oh, all right, that works, guys. How about for you?
I ride a Road King.
Road King in the house. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks, guys. Be safe. I do love the Boosas, I gotta admit, but I like the Harleys too.
Welcome to Tattoo Parlor Daytona Bike Week 2023.
I like a lot of people getting tattoos.
You know what they are.
You go
Free
for it.
giveaway.
How about it? Oh man, how about it? How about it? My man over here. I think you might have the best smelling food in all of Daytona. What do you think? I've had it. I'm a returning customer.
All us Cycledrag fans need to come down here.
My
Enjoy
man.
a Greek delight.
Wow, guys, what is this creation? Something very, very different. It's got a 383 stroker in it. It's a trike. Very cool motorcycle.
Welcome to Bike Week 2023.
Awesome bike. What's your name?
Riaz,
Where are you from?
Orlando,
Very cool. What year, make, and model is this?
2023 Royal Enfield Himalayan.
Very
Or
cool.
Himalayan, yeah.
Wow. Well, we said you'll see some different motorcycles here. You sure will. You be safe.
Yeah, thank
Enjoy.
you. Appreciate it.
Great looking couple here. What's your name?
Chris,
And
Mariska.
where are you guys from?
Wisconsin.
Way warmer than Wisconsin. How would you describe Bike Week to somebody who's never been here?
Man, it's just insane.
What a marketing opportunity for Indian too. They're stepping up big this year. They were front and center right here on Main Street with a huge display. Let's check it out. Got the entire model lineup on display. There's the Scout Bobber, certainly a popular bike. Is that your favorite, the Scout Bobber?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, good choice, good choice. Also have the Jack Daniels Dark Horse over here. It is the Indian Roadmaster. Great looking bikes, guys. Indian, a lot of history, a lot of longevity. Pretty interesting choice by Indian, and I like it to be on display here because remember, most of the manufacturers are over at the Speedway. We'll take you there in another video, but this is a way to stand out, a way to be a little different, a way to reach a different crowd. I like it, Indian. And Indian heavily involved in racing, and that is pretty cool to see, guys. That's what we like to see, manufacturers involved in racing. How about this custom cafe racer on display? Very cool. Now, even with the bike, it's going to cost you a couple bucks to park, unfortunately. Gotta pay to park, oh well. Yeah, we're raising some money. What are we raising money for, sir?
BMX.
I love it.
Tell them your name.
Wayland Cacavelli.
Tell
The
them your
Rock.
nickname though.
The Rock.
Go get them. You gonna ride a motorcycle someday?
Maybe.
Maybe, I like it. All right, guys, just met some new friends. Could you please introduce yourself again?
Maurice America, upstate New York.
Upstate New York, I love it. Thank you for watching. Now, did you also say that I'm maybe a little partial to the Hayabusas? Have you picked up on that?
Absolutely.
Do you like them too?
I love them.
Well, he loves them. We share in that, right?
Absolutely.
The guy asked me, why do you like Hayabusa so much? I said, it's an awesome motorcycle.
It absolutely is. The technology, the performance, just all around a great bike.
I love them all. Well, you guys have a good time here. Very nice to meet both of you. Check out this bike, guys. What in the world is this? All the way. I love it. It's not every day you see a couple on a ZX14. Comfortable? Enjoy. Hey, what's your name? Steven. Where are you from? Florida. I love you. Said North Florida. And you watch Cycledrag? Yes, sir. I appreciate your support, man. We appreciate all of y'all. Well, guys, you'll never believe this, but here I am at the airport, not parking for Bike Week. I actually got to fly out of here. I got to go cover a race, not the Supercross race here, not the Moto America race. The great folks from the AMA Grand Prix National Championship Series are bringing me into iconic Glen Helen in California. So, like John Cena always said, don't say no to anything, right? I'm going to jump on a flight, go out there, call their live stream. I'm humbled that they asked me. And then I'm going to red eye back to Daytona. But as for now, we're gonna go coast to coast and get out of here and head on over to Cali. It's funny because look, a lot of guys are using this as motorcycle parking, but I actually am parking here because I have to fly out. But we will be back, and hey, I'm thankful for these opportunities, that's for sure. DFW halfway. Beautiful sunset. Amazing how different the weather is out here. It's going to be cold in California, believe it or not. Here we are, Glen Helen. Is that cool or what? Glen Helen's version of the Hollywood sign. The NGP series, ready to blast off. Some of the top riders ready to go, kind of like a West Coast GNCC, a grueling track. These guys are all getting ready to go. Good to see. I just wanted to give you a look inside the pits as the pro teams get ready to battle today. Good to see you guys. How about these conditions out here in California?
Couldn't be any better. Look at this moist dirt, and the overcast is keeping it nice and moist.
Are we back east or what? What in the world is going on?
Heck yeah.
Good luck to you guys. Good luck to Team KTM. Keep an eye on the #1 here today.
Just awesome to be here.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
We'll see what they can do. Team Rockstar, Husqvarna. That tunnel's correct. Wish it was still a stop for the outdoor series. Hopefully someday it will again. There you go. Nice little change of pace, right?
Are you the news reporter now?
I'm going to be calling the live stream, so I'm just getting ready to check out practice, and then We'll get in there in just a second. But thank you for the information. See, they like it. They like it out here in SoCal. Something a little bit different. Just a tremendous performance out there for Ryan Surratt today. What do you say?
Yeah, absolutely. Ryan Surratt rode a phenomenal.
Well, we appreciate everybody watching the live coverage. Unprecedented here from historic Glen Helen. Well, what a race it was from legendary Glen Helen. Guys, it's freezing out here. I can't believe it. It's below 50 degrees. It might snow again. Get me back to Florida where I'll get my shorts on. All right, so before I leave historic Glen Helen, there's one thing it's missing. How about that, guys? If you like this video, here's another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle so you never miss one. And you know, if there's anything fast motorcycles, we're in from Glen Helen. Heading back to Daytona. Cycledrag rolls on. All right, we need one here too. Check it out if you get here. Back to Bike Week we go. What a 24 hours.